Hey y'all, in today's video, we're making a homemade dust cleaner that works great. Y'all need to give this one a try. Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be making another cleaning product. This one is to dust with. We're going to be making homemade pledge cleaner. We all hate that little chore that we have to do every once in a while and dust, and this right here will make it a lot easier. And it even gives your furniture a pretty shine. And it helps keep the dust away. So let's go ahead now, and we're going to get some cleaners in a can get very expensive. They're around $6 to $7. So today we're going to make it ourselves using what we have to make what we need and save money. Let's get started. This is what you'll be needing to make our homemade pledge. Some Dawn, some kind of oil of your choice, some white vinegar, and essential oil. That's all it's going to take. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to be mixing our ingredients up in our handy dandy mason jars. Y'all know I love my mason jars. And the first thing we're going to add is 2 cups of water. And I'm using our filter water, but you can use just regular tap water. Okay, that's our 2 cups of water. And now we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of white vinegar. And now to that, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of our Dawn detergent. And we're just going to use this to give it a little mix so I can get the rest of that remaining Dawn off of my spoon. We've got it mixed up pretty good now, all those ingredients mixed in together. And now I'm going to add around 10 drops of our lemon essential oil. You could leave this out if you didn't want to put it in there, but I want to add that lemon fragrance to mine. So that's 1, 2, 3, 10. That's 10 drops. Oh, and I can smell the lemon flavor already, the lemon scent. And now we'll just give that a mix. And now we're going to pour it in our bottle, our spray bottle. Now that right there is our homemade pledge cleaner. And now you can just put it in any kind of bottle. I'm going to be pouring mine in this little spray bottle that we got that's empty that I can use for this. And I'm going to use the funnel so I don't make a mess. Now we're just going to put our top on it. Get it tightened, and I can give it a real good shake. And then before you get ready to use it each time, just shake it up so you know your oil is mixed in good. And now we're ready to go and dust our furniture. Okay, on this dark piece of furniture right here, you can see the dust. And you can see how dusty it is. So now let's use our homemade pledge. Okay, and I'm using a white paper towel so we can see how good it will clean our furniture. Looks a lot better to me. Y'all comment down below what you think and if you might try this. Now I've just got to do the whole dresser. See that little shine it gives it? Looks good to me. Okay, y'all. That's how easy it is to make homemade pledge using what you have. You don't have to pay $6 and $7 for a bottle of pledge. You can make it yourself and save money. And now I'm just going to take a marker and I'm going to put on my bottle that this is for dusting. It's easy and simple. You can make it yourself. Here's the ingredients we used today. I hope this recipe helps y'all to save money and time. Thanks for watching.